Religious affairs and I think culture ebeba bonten the rules and regulations are yedema asori bia for church aye bie no naturally say rules and regulations na koso na Ghana phone who say okwa asori awe ni we ene wo say ye still na bi mo eyo mo say ye bie no ye kwa asori ano no me that na ha say every day rules and regulations na etremo na me read the rules and regulations na etremo na some me kan say based on the rules and regulations no me jindi say asori ba kumpo wo Ghana betumi ebie. I told you that na bi mo fi say entro ena me twa. Ever since the rules and regulations started rolling out asofo no so enye bi say wo mu read no. In fact omo ankasa wo mu say we die nti wo hwa so far asori nkese wo Ghana te say Mensa Water Bill ICGC wo mu say wo mu mbie. Asori to say papa ya sorry Daki Ward Mills Lighthouse omonso womo say womo ntumi MBA yanga say papa Ajinasari ono so na sorry osi ntumi MBA nti so far na ohwa ensori mpanyimfo ana ensori nkese ni nina no womo ba bonti abeka say rules ne de ano ohye too much omo ntumi MBA Osofo kesi a wono so ewo Ghana ye friend Dr. Lawrence Tete wono so babonte be ka say rules yi de eje say aban ehwe rules ni mu na rules na no ohye dodo osofo bie ni wo betumi ebie na sorry still eko na ye ni enim yankasa ye nua obi nim na omo side ene ye pese ye because so hwa opambo omo triaboso mu omo na eya wo eka say yembi asori into omonso side no wo hwe omonso ewo nkrofo panche omonso side ne yepesi yetie but before that kra no Christian Council and sorry bebre sha ase Pentecost ne Presby ni we no omokra no wo munya rules a wo mu read ye no wo mo tra eka say dabi they need time to sit down and think about it because any rules bi abeka say we betumi because I know she. If you don't know what I'm talking about, if you don't know the rules, who name rules I am sorry now. Edoson, enya fiansa, maybe kanina. I did a 10 minutes video on it. Check my channel videos no ubehu. Now, back to the matter. Now, we ena say ye nim say eba wo bi ni mu ni we a wo mo side ne de yenti wo bi anka ye. Na obi nim e obi a na so ahye ye nim de ekoso. But President Akufo-Addo emma asori no bi ekwan say asori MBA no obi nim hu say no this is the time I was say or address the people because ever since I work call police amaniemu ene nsem nina no won ba bonten be kasa but there's one thing he said was say yes physically no muntie ni yo obi nim say physically no ne ho atre ne de physically ne ho atre no but spiritually no still he's in his angelic form asemo obi ni make can know also physically ne ho be train no court nsensem the church members no ne omokasa but spiritually no wo ne angelic form mu it is still the church members no spiritually na wo ye adwuma wo boa ebimo asemo wo bi nim control mo no e na wo ka say wo don so wo hwe rules and regulations abo mampanyi e de aba na rules ne doso onu wo bi nim na sorry wo nim say wo muntumi endi so na o de rules na ye de abaka na aside all the rules no do so but aside all the rules kra no one major rule kra and say asori no munya no 1 hour pe na munya no 100 members it will be him say wo hwe the members wo e wa asori ase wo kase wo ye no 100 every hour 100 every hour one day kra no enso because ne nkrofo doso papa the members e doso into want to me. But counseling will go on. What person will back or no obi nim for counseling or no he's still in his angelic form. Into person back angel ho say angel me here counseling buame you say still he's available for you guys. Asema will be nim edi atu jano no. Na me hwe nim say wo bebo asem ne so say Kennedy Japan ayese ana police ayese but the only thing he spoke on and say yes ne ho aba asem or was physically but spiritually he's helping people out. Yenko tie obi nim nankasa ne num nsem.
Bede me ho asie kakra. So ate ase. Bible say yes akodi ayetu ne nye honam yesunsu di enti no. Tese me yesunsu dwuma ne mmo. So ate ase. Na de enti enne mo papa unua bema uba odofo wade nyina Bishop Angel Obinim. Maba se me no be kasa ne se ni yetwen konansie mu na ye president anado dankwa ebe kasa because of coronavirus yare ba we asinti say yentina fie kakra lockdown ne quarantine ya shefie yesu adon bibia ye kama ni yetwen se obibi asole na tum na yetimi ahia mafew kura ma na boro so ni yetimi ahia ne ya asore na bibia ye kama so ati ase na nyamia dom ye papa ya babonten ye president ababonten abekasa na emra no de yemintimi nkeka nkyere wa ha because of time rules ne dawson emra ne dawson emra ne bebre na mehwemra na IGWC obinim ene ne fancy fo no yentimi ndi so yempese ne aban ne benya asem yempese ne aban ne benya asem so ati ase yempese ne aban no e benya asem enti to cut everything short asore ne yenya asore no but meye me counseling na meye me counseling no Sunday bia no meye counseling Kumase 2 hours per every Sunday me kwa no pattern na ma pon wi ato counseling so ati ase me counseling de meye sa na temanso every Tuesday bia so no meye counseling eno so no ano pattern ma pon wi ato 2 hours per the same to Accra de bia meye counseling no so Accra eno so 10 to 12 2 hours to be bia no abantem because counseling is yemfa nipa dodo asole kwa na president si yenje no kura no o si yemfa nipa 100 but counseling no say minti memfa 100 counseling ma fabulous wa 2030 yes counseling ma fabulous wa bia 2030 anabulous wa 40 so ati ase ma bra kura me se ma bre papa ma bro ma begu mi so ma bre kura ye say 50 and the meeting ma ye de ayede amamo so wada woroma try na brebi na ni mi shia 101 na Jesus Christ to me infame so mwa ipedua no nya problem e wo Ghana but me spirit atimi mu a wo ye adwuma se angel no de wo nya problem ni oguso ye na adwuma e wo ne spiritual e boa nyankopon mba se be nyankopon ma ho beto mo so ati ase we ni announcement me ba se me be kan ye de be ya a kire masim tieti me ba nyina no nti try na brebi Kumasi asore na wo ba obetime hia me counseling ni bi every Sunday tema asore na wo ba nso a Tuesday bana de bi hia me ho na bra counseling ni bi senso ya kra asore a na waba every Thursday na bi ya kama e pese announcement you me di jaw why the announcement we jaw say wo ya announcement you so e ma wo nua na wadofo bi a say papa say president e bi asore na tum si enya asore na mun condition na wo ho na president di man no e dawson untimi ndi so me meka se me hie nipa 100 na ka se me be ye first service second service third service fourth service fifth service sixth service seventh service eighth service ninth service 10th service 11th service me kwa kosi 100 service e be 100 because 100 nko ano just mekwa meye nega say men 7 to 8 8 to 9 president is yenye 1 hour so yenye nipa 100 tika wo beba de hibi ka beba wo beba 9 service ana 11 service ana 17 service ana beba first service to cut everything short ye nya sorry no so what you say 100 de obi am penese on 100 on beba na so we ne beba because on beba abewura sorry dem wo ye nipa 100 no ene wo mo mba begu akiri no kura no mama mia abontenso fo no kura be do so ache inside fo no ene so wan hwe ya na ye tamfofo ni bi de video ana fo ana camera bi ana picture bi akutwa akɔ video na da kɔto social media say obi ni mebu mmra so
nti asɛm a obi nim aka ɛno no I'll say this once again if you are still listening and then unim the ekoso. Oh yeah, because people don't know this. Me madam for be or yesofo. Now no train names are rules and regulations. Inti the see and say madam for ne WhatsApp status so. Now we posti asorin kese a wo can say osofo sorry or more can say o manpanyi a left ban no nanso wo mo enkwa asori. Inti na madam for ne nti ase. So the reason na madam for the air can say well no susu say ebia sa sorry dino ya pese ye de easy registration internal software wo mo person be bie na me catch madam for say dabi e rules and regulations ayama internal software no wo mo ntumi nye den mbie madam for no ye software but na kra no wonim inti aho na me send this rules and regulations ni ma me send man na afei ordinance eguniti so say hey the akosuni and I say ani the akosuni into no I was say woman ni edaho into no kind nanka he will just go and open his church. So there are a lot of people who don't know this, but the communication and the education needs to go on. Utie me now your software just go into my videos so the ban on churches no rules and regulations are buying and now you can just google Google Ghana rules and regulations on the lifting of the ban on churches. So who rules ni na ewa rules ni dia wa the better na has say explaining ni na tremo mo permit to me abobo ebi so like chale rules na wa the rules make us me bobo so atrewa ewa intino your software. And you see one thing about these rules ni say enye say bia ye be chill aban ebe sending crofo around o just like semia ye ka say ye bane asori a ensofo bi ko bia asori a ye chichi omo a ende ebi mo wo mo aso aye hye no into what will happen is say aban ebe sending crofo around na ye ba wa asori ni ye hwe na rules no when di ba ko kra so a when the rules no ba ko kra so a osofo no wa so be hye asori no ye be closing it down ye be closing asori no down kra. And so say yati asese coronavirus no akọ ansa na we bie expect so can say coronavirus no say yet no ya say it is here with us. It is over here na you close wa sorry down crowd to say yes coronavirus go kwa bra ye nim time e be ko dia ene wan kasa wasem intiana san so fun penyifo yi nia e ba abonti a wo mo ka say wo mo de wo mo mbie because they know what is at stake. It's a mesremo Ghana for mesremo. Let's be really careful and tread cautiously. Oh yes, so far. Men fan say oh media man sorry ne dey say inti say da bi. Ayamra na ban dia aba bi so. O hwe na untumi bi so a. Still go on with your online church you are doing. And by force say yankwa sorry. Go on with your online church you are doing. What you say? So and somewhere down no mo nche mo abi o comment box no me da say